All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your thumbnail for your YouTube videos, a custom thumbnail. Now, if you go to your channel, right, go to your channel. Once you log in, go to your channel. You're going to go to the studio, the custom area in YouTube where you can create your thumbnails and make changes. Um, so if you go to your account up here at the top right, you can click on there, and then let me pause that. Automatically sets up here. So go to YouTube Studio, and then that's where you make your. That's where you can upload your actual YouTube icon. I'm going to show you how to make that, but let me make sure a video doesn't pop up here. So what you want to do is open up your video. You can see it's in here. Then you're going to click videos. Then in videos, it'll show you where you can upload it, but I'll get to that later. You're going to open up your lyric video. You're going to take a screenshot of it. Okay, we're going to take a screenshot. Try to get an area where there's no text. Okay, maybe where there's no text. I'm going to do that. And a screenshot is Shift Command 3. And it goes to your desktop. If you don't hear anything or anything happens, it's because it just goes to your desktop. And then you're going to go to, you're going to open Photoshop by clicking the rocket ship, which is the launch pad, and then PS, it's on the second sheet. So click and drag, open Photoshop. You can see I have one here already. Okay, and this size, the size that you need to create it in when you open Photoshop, I'll show you right now. I'm going to go to image size, 1191 by 681. Now, YouTube said 1280 by 720, but this one seems to be working. So 1191 by 681. You're going to go to File, New, and then put 1181, right? Or what was it? Sorry, I forgot which one it was already. 1191 by 681. File, New, 1191 by 681. Then you're going to call it here lyric thumbnail. Okay. You click OK. So there it is right there. All right. So now that you have it, and if you want, you can download this one. It's on the class website, and just let me change it to RGB, and because I'm going to drag it out. You can drag it over like this. Just drag the background over and just throw it in there, and then lighten it, the opacity, just so you have a template to work from. Okay, just like that. All right, so now step 2, I'm going to open my screenshot, file, open, desktop, screenshot, it's this one. I'm going to open it. Again, drag it out. Okay, this is pretty simple. Just drag it out, the tab, like that, so you have 2 of them. Then you're going to click and drag it right over there, like this. Okay, now I don't want this to show, so I'm going to do, maybe move it like that with the arrow. So click on your arrow, then click on Auto Select, and then Layer. That's probably why some of you, your video is not moving. So move it over, just like that. So I'm going to move it over so she shows the, I'm going to go rule of thirds. So just like that. All right. Now I'm going to add my text. So put your group name or your splash screen name, and then the name of the project. So I'm going to turn off. I already have this. Oh, by the way, once you get it set, okay, once you finalize where you want your image, then lock it in. You can do Command A. So you see these little selection ants. You're going to go to Edit. I'm sorry, go to Image, Crop. Okay, that just crops out any additional, anything that's additional to the photo along the edge. Okay, and then do Command D on your keyboard, Command D. See, there's nothing else to the right, to the left, all around it. Because if I don't do that, I'm going to go to Window, History. By the way, it's good to have your history open, just in case you mess up. So you can go back to your if you make a few mistakes. Look at if I drag it, see it shows all the excess stuff, but when I crop it, Command A, uh, image crop, Command D to deselect it. I'll see everything, all the excess that's outside of it, it's cropped. So I just kind of cropped out all that fat that's left over. All right, now you're gonna do Command S, save it. Now it's gonna be called PSD, Lyric Thumbnail PSD, PSD's Photoshop document. I'm gonna save that, click OK. All right, now we saved it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the image that I just inserted, and then I'm going to add text. So we're going to do this. I think this is Helvetica Black, this lyric video project. So I'm going to click here, click there. I'm going to type in all capitals, lyric. Oh, see how it's going like that because it's centered? I want you to click on it and go up here at the top to your left and then move it with the arrow key. All right, now with the T selected, double click it, have it selected, it's highlighted. I'm going to click and drag it up here, see what up here, and this font, I believe it's a Helvetica New Black. Condensed black, I believe. Let me see if that looks like it. Now I'm gonna enlarge it, and then I'm gonna go to bold maybe, or maybe it's just Helvetica bold. No, it's okay. Actually, I like this one, Helvetica New condensed bold. Let's try black, condensed black, and then make it larger, like that. Okay, you can see there's a difference, but that's okay. As long as you have it nice and bold. Lyric, okay, just like that. Go back to your T, space, video, and then return, project. Now see how the lines are together like that? We're going to fix that. Select it, window, character, that's your fonts, and then right here. See, these two have to be about the same. That's the size of the font. There's a spacing in between called leading. So I'm going to make that even, 160. Now that's too far. So I'm going to click and drag it. See how it comes together like that? Just bam, like that. There. Click away from it with the arrow. Then Command S to save it. All right. And then we're going to add your splash screen up here. Okay. So I'm going to put mine too. So your splash screen, make it small. You can use the same font. Oh, by the way, I'll show you how to change the colors in a minute. So I'm going to use the same font, but maybe a thinner font. So I'm going to type it in. So I'm just going to type it, Command A, select everything. I'm going to pick a different one, maybe medium, and then Helvetica. Okay, I'll stick with the condensed. Click on it, condense bold, and just make it smaller. Okay, see how I'm dragging the font size? And then over here with the character, if it clicks off of it, click back on it like that, like it just did, and then you're going to click and drag it and make them really close to each other, just like that. See? And then I'm going to move it down like that. Command S, save it. All right, how to change the color. Go to your window, go to layers, open up your layers. So you created layers. So what you're going to do, oh, by the way, make sure your fonts are on top. Click and drag. Okay, on top, because when I turn on the image, there it should be underneath. All right, so now I have the image turned on, and I need to see it, right? So I'm going to click, well, I have this selected, Lyric Video Project. I'm going to click up here. I'm going to click Blending Options. All right, move this window over. Click on Color. Where's it at? The color overlay, yeah, I guess overlay. And then here, you're going to pick your color. So I'm going to use white. Just drag it like that. Click OK. If you want, you can add a stroke to it. See how it has a nice little stroke to give it a little edge. Don't get too fancy with these, okay? Just do something basic that can be read on your YouTube channel. Click OK. And then whatever colors you're using for your splash screen, use it for your name. So you have to click away from it and then click on it again, double click it, or Command A for all of it. And then same thing up here. You're going to click this little arrow in their layers, blending options, and then here you can change your color to a different color. Okay, move that over and then pick your colors that you're using for your splash screen. Alright, you can see how that's coming through. I'm just going to use that. If you see this little exclamation point, click on that because it corrects it. And I'll move it up because I want it brighter. Oh, I'm sorry, no, you don't have to worry. We're using that for printing, so we're not printing these. So I'm going to click that, click OK, and click OK, and I think we're done. So I'm going to click Save. Okay, we're going to save it twice. Save. All right, now we're going to save it again. We're going to save it for the web because when you save it, the initial time, it saves it with the layers. We're going to need this project for your other videos. Now we're going to save for the web because for the web, it saves it automatically for the web. Up here, it needs to be at JPEG, JPEG. Okay, make sure that's there. Everything else should stay the same. Then click Save, and then Lyric Thumbnail. Remember where you save it. This one's going to in Documents. So I'm going to click Save. All right, now we're ready to upload it to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to go to the YouTube channel. Remember, you're in the studio here. You go to your channel, go to your studio. You're going to click on your actual video that you uploaded. Click on Options, Edit Title and Description. I'm sorry, wrong one. Edit the little pencil. And then you should get all your details about your video. And then right here where it says Upload Thumbnail, you're going to click there. And then remember where you saved it? I saved mine in Documents. All right. Didn't I save mine in Documents? It says yesterday. Or did I put it in Downloads? Unless it's still processing. It can't be processing. Let me put thumbnail. You can do a search for it. There it is. Where did I put it? I don't know where I put it at. I did put it in Documents. Huh. Weird. All right. So there it is. I'm going to click Open. And bam. Now we're going to save it. Okay. And then go to your channel. Or actually, believe you still have to go down here and make changes. Let me see. No, that's it. Because this is not highlighted, so you're good to go. All right, so let's look at the link. Actually, I should have went to my channel instead, to the class channel, because that's where it shows it. So let's do that. Go to your channel, and then let me. Wow, it's really slow. Pause that. Go to your channel by clicking up here at the top. Your channel. See, there it shows up. It should show up in your lyric video project, in your thumbnail. Okay, if you missed anything, go back. Okay, go back to the video and try it again. Okay, or just call me. I'll be able to help you out. So this ends this video on creating a thumbnail for your YouTube channel.